In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install database in LibreOffice Base. If you want to create a database, you need to click on Base Database in the LibreOffice view. Then you need to select Create a new database. I click Next button. Then I select here No, do not register the database. I click Finish. And I type here a file name for this database, for example, simpledatabase.odb. I click Save button. And how you see this information may be displayed here, LibreOffice requires a 64-bit Java runtime environment. We need to click here OK button. And then you can see here this one information, the connection to data source could not be established. So now we need to download Java SE development kit from the link in description. And now we need to open the file downloaded from the website. And here installer will be successfully displayed. Here of course we need to click next button if we want to continue installation process. So I click next. Then you can change path if you want, but I will not do it, so I click next. And how you see installation process will be started in, you need to wait a few minutes to finish it. And how you see installation has been successfully finished, so now we can click close button. And we need to open LibreOffice Base again. Okay, so I have successfully restarted LibreOffice Base. Now I need to create a new database, so I select it, I click next, I select here no, do not register the database, I click finish, I type here a database, for example, new to database, and I click save button. And how you see database has been successfully installed. So now you can continue your work in LibreOffice Base. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.